inside the world of automated robotics in semiconductor production. Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, your ultimate destination for exploring the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. In today's episode, we're stepping into the fascinating world of semiconductor production. Specifically, we'll uncover how automated robotics are transforming the way these vital components are manufactured, pushing the boundaries of precision, efficiency, and scale. So grab your favorite gadget, get comfortable, and let's dive into the exciting future of automated robotics in semiconductor production. Semiconductors are the lifeblood of modern technology. From smartphones and laptops to medical equipment and electric vehicles, they power virtually every aspect of our digital lives. But as demand for faster, smaller, and more efficient chips grows, traditional manufacturing methods face increasing challenges. This is where automated robotics come in, revolutionizing the industry by making processes faster, more reliable, and more scalable. This video takes you behind the scenes of semiconductor production, exploring the pivotal role automated robotics play in this intricate and high-stakes industry. What makes semiconductor production unique? Semiconductor production isn't your average manufacturing process. It involves extreme precision. Components are measured in nanometers. Complex processes. Steps include photolithography, etching, doping, and deposition. Ultra-clean environments. Even the tiniest speck of dust can ruin an entire batch. Traditional methods, while effective in the past, are struggling to keep up with the complexity and scale of today's semiconductor demands. Automation provides the perfect solution. The rise of automated robotics. How robots fit into semiconductor production. Robots have become integral to every stage of semiconductor manufacturing. 1. Material handling. Robots ensure silicon wafers and other materials are transported, inspected, and prepared without contamination. Key tasks include precision alignment, automated defect detection, delivery to fabrication units. 2. Wafer fabrication. This is where robots truly shine. They handle photolithography, applying light-sensitive coatings with nanometer precision. Etching and deposition, performing complex chemical processes with consistency and accuracy. Doping, precisely implanting ions to modify electrical properties. 3. Testing and packaging. After fabrication, robots conduct rigorous testing to ensure chip quality. Package chips into protective casings ready for integration into devices. Advantages of automation in semiconductor production. The use of automated robotics offers several groundbreaking benefits. 1. Unparalleled precision. Robots operate at scales far beyond human capabilities, ensuring consistent quality and reducing waste. 2. Increased efficiency. With 24/7 operation, robots dramatically increase production capacity and reduce downtime. 3. Cost savings. While the initial investment is high, automation reduces long-term costs by minimizing errors, waste, and labor requirements. 4. Scalability. Automated systems can quickly adapt to new chip designs and production requirements, keeping manufacturers competitive. 5. Environmental impact. Automation optimizes resource usage, making production more sustainable. Challenges and solutions. While the benefits are immense, the journey to automation isn't without hurdles. 1. High initial costs. Building automated facilities requires billions of dollars in investment. However, advancements in robotics are driving costs down, making automation more accessible. 2. Integration complexity. Integrating robotics into existing setups can be challenging. This requires expert planning and execution. but partnerships with specialized tech firms often streamline the process. 3. Workforce transformation. Automation shifts workforce demands, requiring new skills in robotics and AI. Investing in training and education is key to overcoming this challenge. Real-world applications and success stories. 1. TSMC's robotic facilities. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, employs some of the most advanced robotic systems in the world, achieving unparalleled production volumes and chip quality. 2. Intel's automated fabs. Intel has fully embraced automation, using robots to enhance precision, reduce costs, and accelerate innovation. 3. Emerging startups. New players in the market are leveraging automation to specialize in cutting-edge applications like AI chips and quantum computing components. The future of robotics in semiconductor production. Automation in semiconductor production is just the beginning. The future promises. 1. AI-powered robotics. Robots equipped with advanced AI will self-optimize, predicting maintenance needs and improving yields in real time. 2. Quantum chip manufacturing. As quantum computing grows, robots will play a critical role in assembling qubits and other quantum components. 3. Global democratization. Automation will make semiconductor production more accessible to smaller companies, fostering innovation worldwide. Shaping the future. The integration of automated robotics in semiconductor production is a transformative leap for the tech industry. It promises not only to meet the ever-growing demand for semiconductors, but also to redefine the standards of manufacturing. Thank you for joining us at Tech Dream Gear. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of automated robotics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.